Toolbox, I've got a toolbox, I've got a toolbox in my hand. Let's see what we can find when we take a peek inside. I've got a toolbox in my hand. Hammer, I've got a hammer, I've got a hammer in my hand. Let's pound some nails in the wall. It's my favorite tool of all. I've got a hammer in my hand. Screwdriver, I've got a screwdriver, I've got a screwdriver in my hand. Let's screw some screws in the door, and then we'll do some more. I've got a screwdriver in my hand. Tape measure, I've got a tape measure, I've got a tape measure in my hand. Let's measure this and that. The tape measures long and flat. I've got a tape measure in my hand. Level, I've got a level, I've got a level in my hand. Let's make sure this picture's straight. A little to the left, that's great. I've got a level in my hand. Wrench, I've got a wrench, I've got a wrench in my hand. Let's tighten this tiny screw. What a wrenchy thing to do. Ooh, I've got a wrench in my hand. Hammer, screwdriver, tape measure, yeah. Level, wrench, toolbox, oh yeah. Toolbox, I've got a toolbox, I've got a toolbox.